In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a board from Monday.com. Whether you need to share this data with a colleague or simply want to keep a copy for yourself, downloading your boards can be a quick and easy process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board you wish to download. Take a moment to locate the board, as it sets the stage for all subsequent actions. Once you're in, keep your eyes peeled for the three dots icon nestled comfortably at the upper right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a gateway to a multitude of options pertaining to your board. As you click on these three dots, a menu unfolds before you, offering various actions. Your attention should now shift to the option marked More Actions. By hovering over it, you'll reveal further possibilities. Among these, Export Board to Excel is the one that holds the key to our goal today. Give it a confident click. With the export action selected, you're now presented with a vital decision-making stage, choosing which board items to include in your download. This step is significant because it allows you to tailor the data to your specific needs. Whether you prefer exporting the entire board for a comprehensive overview or opting for selected items to zero in on particular insights, make your selections wisely. Consider who will be viewing this data and what their needs might be, as this can guide your choices. Once you've determined the segments you want to download, direct your focus to the Export button, which waits patiently for you at the bottom of the menu. Clicking this button sets the download in motion, and your chosen information journeys from Monday.com's servers to your local device. Keep an eye on your Downloads folder, as the Excel file will soon appear there, holding your neatly organized board data. Upon completion, you'll have a fully functional Excel document at your disposal. This document can be used for further analysis, shared with others, or kept as a record of your board's activity. Remember, downloaded data does not update automatically, so if changes occur on the board, you will need to export again for the latest version. And there you have it, a straightforward method to download your Monday.com board. With practice, this process becomes second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy downloading.